Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have some things to show you. Christmas is here, Christmas is here. Well, almost. We got to get ready for Christmas, right? So thank you EasyDIY for sending these. And are you ready for some nice Christmas stuff? This one I'm excited about. I'm gonna leave that one to the end. All right, unpackaged, here we go, ready to look at them. All right, let's start with this one. Just so you'll know, every one of these kits has come with one of these tool kits, right? Okay, see, there they are. Has everything you need to diamond paint. This one's special drills, and look at how pretty it is. Look how pretty. It's just a bouquet of flowers, all special drills. We got 2 bees, we got a bud, we got some flowers that are open. Super pretty, right? Super pretty. I picked it because, I mean, it's not poinsettias or anything, but it just looked kind of in the Christmas spirit of things. You know what I mean? So let's look at our drills. There are 9 shapes, colors, different drills. Let's look at them, okay? All right, here's what we have. We have some clear rhinestones, 1 red, 2 reds. This is a black resin, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's black resin. Green, gold, some gold round faceted, some green round faceted. Oh, and these are so pretty. I love these. These are green and purple and pink. It's picking up all the hues with that iridescent coating on it. And look, they're going to go in here. Look, all around these leaves. Love it. That's going to be really pretty. All right, why not? Just a pretty bouquet of flowers. Loved it. Okay. What else do we have? What else do we have? Okay, the next one is a full drill. Look at that one. What do you think of that? I thought that was sharp. I mean, you just got this huge poinsettia and another one. It says Merry Christmas, clear as day. I just really liked that. It has 24 colors. We have a legend on both sides. We have DMC codes. It appears to be all letters. Drill field. Okay. Yep. Nice, like it, love it. Picture printed. Almost everything is these days. 30 by 40 size. They'll be a little bit smaller than that. Probably 5 centimeters off each direction. All right. We can go through the drills real quick. Wait, let's not. I'll save regular drills for the last one. I mean, it's pretty basic. It's greens and reds, tans, and grays. All right. That's what you get. That's your colors. I mean, it is what it is. Okay? I'll show you the drills on the last one. The last one's a full drill too. Okay? All right. This guy, oh my goodness. I'm so excited he's here. I'm so excited for this one. I've been waiting for this one. Okay, he's a snowman. He's got the bubble background. Well, actually, he's got a bubble snowman too. He's just got lots of bubbles. He's a bubbly kind of snowman. When I say bubbles, I mean different sizes. Okay, so if we zoom in here, you'll see we have 1s, 2s, and 5s, and they're different size circles. These are all going to be the same color. I don't know what color it is, but we'll find out. These are going to be the same color. This blue is going to come through. Now, here's the thing. These circles, these all have guide circles. And you notice how the guide circles are red? That red's going to show through. There's just no way you can get those drills on there perfectly. These must be all the same color too. My guess is black. So he is really bubbly, bubbly. Lots of different sizes of the same colors. Lots of different colors with multiple sizes. That's what I meant to say. All right, let's look at them and we'll see what we have. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, so the background, okay, if you look at the picture, look at the thumbnail. The background is going to be blue. He's white, of course. The hat is black. I'm assuming all 3 of those come in multiple sizes. So here's the blues. All right, 3 bags of the small rhinestones in this light blue color and a medium. My guess is there's a large somewhere as well. All right, 2 bags of white resin, a medium white, and a large white. And then there's black, small, medium, and large. Now I get some more rhinestones, another blue. I don't even know what color to call this. What is that color? Smoke. A very light yellowy gold color, an amber. Oh, look, we have 3 sizes of the reds too. A small, a medium, and a large red. We have lime green, peachy kind. And then we have 2 sizes of the clear, a small and a medium. We don't have a large blue. So what goes in here? Oh, it's going to get a different color. What are the 5s? The 5s are number 5. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're going to be white. Okay. All right, so it's going to be a blue background here with the larger white dots on there. Okay. All right. I'm excited to do him. I want to do him right away. He's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, let's put that aside. That's a nice pliable canvas. So is this one. This one's very pliable. And, you know, again, we have one of these larger 40 by 40, the circle with the plaid and a picture in the middle. 24 colors on that one. Legend on both sides. Looks like, again, it's all letters. DMC codes are listed. We'll go through these drills just so you can see what the drills look like, okay? I know I've said it before. I've gotten a few of these now that I would cut these out and not drill the outsides, right? Mount it on something in a matching color. Okay, so here's what their drills look like. They look really nice. Gray, brown, some pinkish colors, rosy colors, black, mulberry, green, gray, beige, more greens, blue, greens. That's only part of them. Another strip. Okay, so here's all those white. Another pink. Ooh, that is a beautiful color. It's a plum and then a light plum. Love that. Okay, that's pretty. All right, love those colors. Those are nice. Now see, that was a nice surprise, the plum. Well, I'm going to assume it's like over here in this bush. That's supposed to be like some berries or I don't know, something. Anyhow, nice, nice. I'm liking everything so far. What do you think? This one I'm super excited to show you. Okay, super, super excited to show you. Okay, drills, light and light box, battery pack. We get to put it together. We get to do some construction with the screws and the screwdriver. Haven't done one yet, but you know, has its own toolkit, of course. And this is exciting because, okay, you go over there. We don't need you. This is double-sided. Look, it's the Christmas train. Santa is coming into town. He's pulling his train full of goodies for the boys and girls, and he's double-sided. So you'll do both sides. Love that. So there's a lot to drill on this. It's going to take a minute. I like it. I see this as a gift for like a grandkid, you know? So when you put it together, you're going to put those pegs in, and it's going to keep it together like this. You'll string your lights inside, and it's just going to stand like that because, you know, it's going to have some more stability than this when you put the pegs in. Love it. Isn't it cute? All right, let's look at our drills for this and see what we have. I am starting to work on Christmas projects. I have some of the little tags done. I'm working on a light. I'm having some fun. I need to get more done. All right, here we go. This is what we have. Let's go this way. Oh, hang on. Here's our special drills. Okay, we got gold, a couple of different reds, an orange, green, a couple of blues. These are all rhinestones. Except for that one, that's black resin. Yep. Pink, clear, and white AB. Nice, we got white ABs in this one. Yay, love that. All right, then let's look at our special drills. We got quite a few bags here. Stars, nice. Oh, smaller stars. We have some red, round, faceted, and a teardrop in there. These are kind of small. They're fine. They're good. And then some like this champagne teardrop color. Love it. Love it. Don't you think it's super cute? Okay, I can hardly wait to get one of these done so I can show you guys what they look like lit up. Like I said, I'm working on a light that's very similar to this one that I have to put together and all that. I hope to show you some stuff soon. So, what do you think? What do you think? Some good stuff here, right? I can hardly wait to do this one. Got to get to this one. I'll do this one in the train. If I could get those done before Christmas. Well, I can work on him in January too, but that's okay. Because, you know, my snowmen come out in January. All right. Again, thank you, EasyDIY, for sending these for me to show everybody. And ho, 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 it is Christmas time. Let's get our Christmas on. And they have some great Christmas things. I will link them below so you can go check them out yourself. And yeah, have fun making things for Christmas, people. Have fun, right? Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like the content, the subscribe button's over there. You could subscribe if you'd like. That would be awesome. Thank you to the people who have and everybody who watches my videos. I appreciate it very, very much. Until next time, have a great day. I need to get busy. I got so many things to get done. All right, I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.